Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new subscription service to talk to you guys about. And let me tell you, I came across this subscription, I believe it was on Facebook. And the only reason I got it is because I got a bonus box. It's 2 boxes right here. Because this subscription service is extremely expensive. At least for me, I think it's expensive. And when I saw the products, because I already took a little peek inside, when I saw the products, I kind of wasn't too happy. So this subscription is $99, I believe, monthly. $99. So of course I was expecting like something completely amazing. And I don't think I can say it's completely amazing in my opinion. So you guys have to decide for yourselves if this is something that you would like to have for that price. So I decided to get it, yeah, because it's 2 boxes for $99, so each one ends up being $50. But after this, most likely, I will not be keeping the subscription service. I got it to show you guys because it's a beach theme. So I love the beach, I love summer, so I was like, well, this would be nice to show my followers a new subscription. But when I saw the price, I kind of freaked out. So I did it because I got both boxes. So let's jump right in. So this is the box, very pretty box. It says Beachly, it's called Beachly. And it says vitamin C for your soul. All right, so when you open it up, it says, hello sunshine. By ordering this box, you helped keep a beach clean and pristine. Big thanks for supporting us and our partner, Heal the Bay. As always, don't forget to reuse or recycle. So that's nice, that I like, that part, that's the nice part of the subscription. So this right here that I open right now is the bonus box. This is the extra box that I got. And this is, it says, hey Beachly babe, we could all use more good vibes every once in a while. We're so glad you decided to treat yourself. The bonus box is filled with our favorite products and brands the Beachly tribe knows and loves. We hope you love it too. If your seasonal box hasn't arrived yet, no worries. It ships separately and will be there in no time. So this is the seasonal one that I have right here. And this is the bonus box. Now the bonus box, I haven't opened it up, so I don't know if this one is better than the seasonal one, but it might be. All right, so here we go. First thing I see is a candle, and this is the Surf's Up candle. Now just let me let you guys know, there is no paper with the products, there is no prices, so I have no idea. That, you know, you guys know I really don't like, because I like to be able to discuss the items with you guys. But this is a coconut lime candle, and it says it's all natural soy. Let's smell this and see what's up. Smells good. It's not, it doesn't drive me crazy. It's not like, you guys know that I'm not a fan of candles to begin with. You guys already know that. But it smells good, but it's not like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? Next thing in here is a jewelry piece, and let's pull it out of the little bag. So it says, so it is this little gold necklace with like a little shell, a star, and like a tassel. Oh my God, the box is gonna fall. And it has like little blue beads here. Cute little summery necklace. Next item in the box is this right here. And this is Cleo Bella, and it's a little wallet, like a baby blue color. It's cute. It has their logo right here, and then you can put your cards and stuff. The zipper is kind of iffy wiffy. And then the last product in here is a beach blanket. And it's very nice and soft. This is what it looks like. It's from Tavik, I guess is the brand. And this is the blanket. It's pretty big. I do not want to open it. It has like different colored little fringes. So that's it for the bonus box. Now This one right here is the seasonal box. So here we get the same kind of concept, except that this one we get a little booklet, and this says summer 2020, and it tells you everything that is in the box. All right. You guys start letting me know what you guys think. So first thing in here, we get 2 little samples of Kapari, and these are, oh, it's supposed to be 3. Is there a 3rd one in here? Well, so far I only see 2. They say it's a 3-pack. This is a coconut detox mask. Okay, the retail is $5. For this box, they do have a little booklet with the stuff and the retail price. I'm guessing that just for the bonus box, they don't have that. Next thing in here is a mineral sunscreen, and this is from Protect Products. It says SPF 30 lotion and SPF 15 coconut lip balm. So here's the lip balm and the sunscreen, and the retail price is $18 and $5. I wonder if this smells. Well, this one is sealed. Let me see if this smells. It doesn't really smell like anything. Next, oh, I found the other little thing, the coconut mask. Next thing in here is a pair of sunglasses, and these are Gilman sunglasses by Rayan, and the retail price is $150. These are pretty. What do you guys think? I think they look nice. Should I keep them on for the rest of the video? I kind of like to do that. These are cute. I like the glasses. I definitely like them. I don't know if that truly is a retail, but the glasses are nice. All right. Next thing in here is a bottle opener, and it says Monstera bottle opener. Retails for $10. And it has like their little kind of like logo. It's a little like leaf. That's pretty. Next thing in here is from SandCloud, and I believe this is a towel. Let me see. This is a Turkish towel. So I'm not gonna unwrap this. You guys should kind of have an idea. If not, we can insert a picture. So it says, every product purchase helps our effort to preserve the beautiful marine life that inspired our beginning. A portion of profits are donated to foundations that support our mission. So that's that. And the last thing in here is a cover-up. Come on. There you go. So this is what the cover-up looks like. All right, and let me open it up here because I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is it right here. And then it has like the drawstring in the middle. I don't know if you see it there. I'm pretty sure you do. Oh, but this is the top. I'm sorry. This is the top right here. There we go. So it has its little like fringe here at the bottom. It's a cute cover up. And it cinches at the waist. And that is it for this box. All right, guys, so let me know what you think of this subscription. For me personally, should I take these off now? For me personally, I wouldn't pay $100 for this subscription. I'd probably pay a little bit less. Hi, Poppy. Okay. To who? Oh, yeah. All right, if this subscription was a little bit less money, I would definitely pay for it, but it's a little bit too expensive for my liking. Like, I don't think the products, I know that they say these sunglasses are worth $150, etc. Oh, did I tell you the retail prices? The Turkish towel is $44. The cover up is $98, which is absolutely insane. And I did tell you the rest of the stuff. So, however, for me, it's a little bit too expensive. It's on the totally expensive side. Like, I don't think I would consider staying subscribed to this and pay $100 for these items. Maybe if it was half the price, I would think about it, because it would kind of be like a FabFitFun. And sometimes, you guys know I'm not a fan of FabFitFun, but sometimes even FabFitFun has better things in their box. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I definitely like the sunglasses for sure. I'm definitely keeping those, and I really do like those. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.